Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and I'm gonna give you a little tutorial about this weight bench right here. It actually serves also as a crunch, sort of an ab crunch bench. But I'm gonna give you some stats on it. And to start off, the assembly time. So one person put this all together with all the provided hardware. You don't need any additional hardware. I'd say in about 15, taking your time, maybe 30 minutes. It's not a lot of pieces. Most of it is comes assembled. It's just pretty easy. I'd say 30 minutes, but definitely under an hour for sure, even if you're only kind of going slow. It is made out of a steel that looks to be powder coated. I'll give you some close-ups here. Steel powder coated. There are cushions on the leg area. So when you're wanting to use this from a crunch method, you can lock your legs in and you can adjust the decline on this. You can actually do a decline or an incline. It is very stable. The steel on it is just, it's not going anywhere. Laying back, you could do anything you want from a flat bench. So any kind of dumbbells. It does not come with any weights, any kind of dumbbells, barbells, whatever it is, don't come with it, but very stable. To adjust the seat area here to go from flat to raised, there is a pin on the side. You just pull it out, adjust it either to this height or this height. It snaps in. You can screw it in, lock it in place. It's not going to go anywhere. And then if you were going to use it in that standpoint, you could lock your legs all the way around, and then you could use it as a crunch. The adjustment here for the legs can be adjusted kind of up or down. So depending on the length of somebody's legs and where they want to have this cushion hit the calf area, is easy to do. It's just simple. Pull that out. You loosen one screw on the back, pull it out, and then you can slide it in the next one. And then you adjust the screw, put it in that place, and lock it in. Very easy. The back here can be adjusted incline. Here's the close-up of the mechanism. There is a pin right here. You pull the pin, and then this will lift up, and then you can adjust it down into the position you want. Up, all the way. So if you wanted this in more of an incline position, you can definitely do that. It will go all the way up into a vertical seated position. So if you wanted to do military style press straight up, you can do that. Get really comfortable. It is, it's surprisingly, I'll use that word, surprisingly stable. You can adjust this here. So here's one, another, and then if you wanted to go all the way down and have sort of a decline ab crunch, you adjust it, lock the pin in, put your legs all the way around the cushioned area. Then you're able to go down and come up. And now you have a little bit more stretch area going back, make it a little bit more challenging. So that's kind of cool too. And it's just really, really stable. Also, from an ease of maneuverability, the rear end here has two wheels on it. There's a handle here on the back. Once this is locked in, screwed tight, just pick it up and you can move it around. Here's a close-up. This is all steel powder coated. Here's your cushions. These have 3 different holes here to adjust. This actually, you tighten this here. Now that's solid. That's definitely solid. Cushion, this adjusts here. Here's your locking pin. You pull this out, you loosen it, and you can lock it up and adjust here. That raises up or down the seat. And here you have handles to make it easy to lift this up or down. There's the brand. This is like a leather type material. Got some cushion to it. On the base here, this is like a hard rubber, just to help if this was on hardwood or tile or concrete. It's not going to slide around. There's your wheels. This just shows this handle. Again, this is where it locks into the different positions. That's your locking pin that goes here. And then when this is in the up position, goes in there, and that gives you the locked flat bench. All in all, this is a solid bench, surprisingly solid. And I think it's just because the material, this powder coated steel, that kind of makes everything up. I mean, it's pretty strong. I'm not concerned, you know, putting a bunch of weight on there or whatever, because it's just built really well. It's built to be able to hold. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you do a little review, a little tutorial, a little overview of our weight bench? Hopefully any and all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.